Yo, I not deal with Facebook, Instagram, the whole works. I tell you something. See, honestly, yesterday the media put out something and it disrespectful to me, yeah? And it disrespectful to all heap of other people, brother. And showing us something, see? I'm gonna say how broke, live in a car, all of this. Remember in a dog, or who's ever put it out, you know? 99%, you know, Jamaica people broke in a dog, poor and hungry in a dog. Like me get up this morning, you know, or yesterday morning, or any other else morning and couldn't buy a meal, or I can't even buy a meal now. Bad man, me not commit no crime, you know. You see me? I have a dozen more people are good like 100 more people like me in a Jamaica who couldn't buy a meal this morning. You see me? So posting that and laughing, that don't make you hype, brother. You see me? You have to know. You see me? You really have to know that. That is like bashing poor people. You laugh after everybody, dog. You see me? Yeah, man, I don't tell you no. Yeah, but I say very. Honestly, in myself, me will feel a way, so yo, me get up and post up. Run go post about this and post about that, but oh, very, and swimming a pool. Cause watch you know. Get up and look on them and say, oh, it's a whole heap of nigga, you know. I know about no pool this and no pool that, you know. And you see this gas up thing. You know, depend this gas up thing we not found, you know. Look another artist gas up, you know what I mean? Because I'm just for that, so to do some music, you know, brother. You see me? My management now, where management is concerned with people, I say this and I say that, brother. I'm telling you the honest truth. I don't have a problem with management. I always have a big up Dirty Fridays. You know what I mean? The whole of them, straight. You see me, big them up. I mean, which part of them I take me from, I don't want to go back there, so. You know what I mean? So, I'm glad for that. I acknowledge what them do, I'm happy for that. Respect to them always. And them not have nothing. And them have something, I don't know about that. But I just me that. You see me? This minute, I might get up and chat something because I vex about it already, but after I sit down and look on it and look through it, you see me? And a couple of people call me and voice them opinion. I pick sense out of nonsense, brother. You see me? It's not smart, bro. You see me? A lot of we poor. A lot of we are suffer. Even you, we might post the video, might poor and hungry, brother. You see me? Me a sleep in a car. If me did even a sleep in a car, at least me have some of that. You have to give thanks for the look how you have that. Enough people not have that. You see me? You have to know where you really are saying. No, I don't feel like so this is a video where Gage a call and text and a ball to the media. No, that. You see me? Because I'm sure say it's not even a media were relevant put it out, brother. You know what I mean? A lot of people will comment on that right now. Right now as them listen to this right now. You know what I mean? So now if you know that, I can't do them something there. Now if you know if that is the picture I want to paint. The Jamaica. You see me and what I want to do. You see me, yeah, a lot of time now I go say, Joe, you don't do nothing for Jamaica, really. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, I found out nothing for Jamaica either. Now if you know, brother. Yeah, man, big up to all of the clean-hearted people in the morning. Yeah. That's that me have to say. You see me? Yeah, man, and where song is concerned, music are just music. You do it same way. You see me, boy? Big up on yourself. No one really, I say, you see me?